Hey, Jake. How's work treating you these days?
Hey, Emma. It's been pretty busy, but I can't complain. How about you?
Same here. Juggling a few projects at once, but it's exciting. What's the most interesting project you're working on right now?
I'm working on developing a new app for remote team collaboration. It's challenging but really rewarding. What about you?
That sounds cool. I'm involved in a marketing campaign for a new product launch. It's a lot of work, but I love the creativity involved. Do you enjoy working remotely?
I do, actually. It gives me more flexibility. Plus, I can avoid the morning commute. How about you?
I like it too, but sometimes I miss the social aspect of the office. Here's a joke for you. Why don't scientists trust atoms?
Haha, I don't know. Why?
Because they make up everything.
Good one, Emma. Speaking of making up, have you ever had to come up with a solution on the spot at work?
Oh, definitely. Just last week, we had an issue with a client presentation. And I had to improvise a lot. What about you?
Yes, once I had to fix a major bug right before a big demo. It was stressful but a great learning experience. Do you find that work teaches you a lot of life skills?
Absolutely. Time management, problem solving, communication, the list goes on. What's the most valuable skill you've learned at work?
I'd say adaptability. Things change so quickly, and being able to adjust is crucial. What's yours?
Probably teamwork. Collaborating effectively with different people is key. Do you have any tips for staying productive?
I make a to-do list every day and prioritize my tasks. And I take short breaks to stay fresh. What do you do to stay on top of things?
I set specific goals for each day and try to stick to them. And yes, breaks are important. Here's another joke. Why did the Scarecrow become a successful manager?
Haha, why?
Because he was outstanding in his field.
Nice one, Emma. So, where do you see yourself in 5 years career-wise?
I'd like to move into a leadership role and maybe start my own business one day. How about you?
I'm aiming to become a senior developer and work on some innovative projects. Maybe even mentor new employees. Do you think it's important to have a career plan?
Definitely. It gives you direction and motivation. But it's also important to be flexible. Do you agree?
For sure. Sometimes opportunities come from unexpected places.
Speaking of opportunities, have you ever taken a job that was completely different from what you were used to?
Yes, I once worked in customer service. It was a whole new experience, but taught me a lot about patience and communication. What about you?
I did a stint in event planning. It was chaotic but fun and taught me how to handle pressure. Do you think it's good to try different roles?
Definitely. It broadens your skill set and perspective. Have you had any mentors in your career?
Yes, my first boss was a great mentor. She taught me the importance of work-life balance. Have you had a mentor?
Yes, my current manager. He's very knowledgeable and always willing to share advice. Do you think mentoring is important?
Absolutely. It helps you grow and learn from others' experiences. Here's a question. Do you prefer working in a small company or a large corporation?
I like the dynamics of a small company. You get to wear many hats and learn a lot. How about you?
I agree. Small companies often have a close-knit environment, which I enjoy. But large corporations have their perks too. Do you have a favorite work-related memory?
Yes, launching my first big project. It was a proud moment. What's yours?
Winning an award for a campaign I led. It was a team effort, and it felt great to be recognized. Do you enjoy attending work conferences?
Yes, they're great for networking and learning new trends. Do you?
I do. It's always inspiring to hear from industry leaders. Do you think networking is essential?
Absolutely. Can open up many opportunities. Plus, you get to meet interesting people.
Totally agree. Here's another joke. Why did the computer go to the doctor?
Good one, Emma. So, how do you handle work stress?
I try to stay organized and take breaks when needed. Exercise also helps me unwind. What about you?
Do the same. Also, talking to friends and family helps a lot. Do you think it's important to separate work and personal life?
Definitely. It's crucial to have a balance and not let work take over your life.
I agree. Do you have any hobbies that help you relax after work?
Yes, I love painting and reading. They help me disconnect from work. What about you?
I enjoy playing guitar and hiking. It's a great way to clear my mind. Do you think hobbies are important for work-life balance?
Absolutely. They give you something to look forward to and help relieve stress. Here's a question. Do you think remote work is here to stay?
I think so. It offers flexibility and can increase productivity. Do you prefer working remotely or in an office?
I like a mix of both. Remote work for flexibility and the office for social interaction. What about you?
Same here. A hybrid model seems ideal. Here's a lighthearted question. If you could have any job in the world, what would it be?
I'd love to be a travel writer. Getting paid to explore new places sounds amazing. How about you?
Being a professional musician would be awesome. Doing what you love for a living is the dream. Do you think following your passion is important?
Absolutely. It makes work feel less like a job and more like a fulfilling activity. Do you have any advice for someone just starting their career?
Be curious, stay open to learning, and don't be afraid to take risks. What would you say?
I'd say network as much as you can, find a mentor, and always strive to improve. And most importantly, enjoy the journey.
Great advice, Emma. Here's to a fulfilling and successful career for both of us.
Cheers to that, Jake. Let's keep pushing forward and making the most of every opportunity.
Absolutely. Talk soon, Emma. Have a great day at work.
You too, Jake. Take care.